What's up? What's going on? Today we're going to do some sliding window practice because yesterday we came across a sliding window problem. I think it was a sliding window problem and I couldn't really do it. So we're going to start with this one, which apparently is an easier sliding window problem. Integer array nums consisting of n elements and integer k. Maximum average value and return this value. Okay, and this is our bounds. So you can't write an n-squared solution where you calculate the average of every single subarray and return that. That would be an n-squared solution. So it's a sliding window problem. And this is fixed size because it's the integer of size k for each subarray. So we're going to initialize our max as 0. And then our left pointer, I guess. And then we have to create the initial window. So for I in range, length of, oh no, for I in range k, because our initial window is going to be of size k. Answer plus equals I. So that is our current, I guess we don't have to really find the average every single time. We can just divide the last answer by 4. So we're just finding the maximum sum of subarray size k. So now we're going to say for, okay, so we actually don't need a left pointer. I saw that in a template for sliding window online, but I think that's for dynamic. For I in range, k, length of nums. So now this is going to go through the rest of our array starting at k. And basically for each iteration, we're going to add the current element, subtract the previous element, and then see if it's greater than our answer so far. So, okay, let's say it's 4. Okay, so we're going to say answer plus equals nums at k, answer minus equals nums at I minus k, right? Because as I keeps going, we want to decrement the value that's k behind I. And now we're going to say answer equals max of answer. No. Because we're already updating it here. So what we want to do is say temp equals answer. Now we're going to say answer equals max for answer so far and our temporary answer. Now at the end of all this, we're just going to return answer divided by 4. Okay, it's fine. Let's print, first here, let's print answer. And now here we'll print answer, print temp. See what's happening? Six. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, if it's a negative number, what do we do? Okay, well this is all 13. How did we get 6 up here? Oh, God. Okay, that's better. So now we're at 2. Now, we added 50, subtracted 1. Okay, we got 51. And that's, okay, good. Now we add 3, subtract 12. How did we get 89? How did we get 89 here? Oh, I see. We're supposed to be adding... Oh, okay, there we go. What happened here? Oh, this is divided by k. Oh! Expected 4. Output 7, expected 4. K is 1. What happened here? Okay, so we're at 0. Fine. Answer is still 0. We added nums at 1. Okay. 4. Subtracted 0. Cool. Our answer is 4. Our temporary is 4. Okay, our answer is 0. No. Okay, let's just open up Paint. Come on, what am I doing? What's wrong here? Okay, our current answer is now 0. And now temp. Okay, so temp is 0. I, in this case, is going to start at 1. So we're here. Temp, we added 4. And so we subtracted 1 minus 1, 0, minus 0 equals 4. Perfect. Temp. Okay, sweet. Now, I is now here. I is 2. Temporary equals answer. So our temp is 4. We added 0. Right? And subtracted 4. So we got 4, 0. Correct. Our answer is 4. Our new temporary is 0. Perfect. Okay. So now we're at 3. Oh. Temporary is not equal to answer. Temporary Yeah. Temp equals answer up here. Let's try this. Nice. All right, quick little debug. That makes sense. Since when do you? Yeah, that was just stupid. Let's look at the solution. Oh wow, that's a cool way to do it. Sum nums to k. Yeah, cool. All right, well played. Take note of that. All right, next problem. Longest repeating character replacement. No, it wasn't this. It's like longest string without repeating characters or something. I think it's in blind 75. Longest substring without repeating characters, this one. Okay, this is a dynamic sliding window, which means it's variable. Okay. So we need a way, okay, so we have our current length, right? I guess I'll just make this length. And then I guess we need to have a set to store the unique letters. And then we have our left and our right, right? Our left pointer. Oh, hang on. 4 right in range length of S. Okay, there we go. If S at left not in X, X dot add S at left, and then we're going to increment length by 1. Now we're going to increment cur by 1. Else if S, okay, otherwise, if it is an X, then we are going to move our left pointer up. Okay, first we have to update our length. So length is max of our current length, and then we set our current equal to 0. No, we don't necessarily set it to 0. We update the max. Now while our left pointer is not equal to this should be S at right, actually. Now, okay, for example, we hit A right here. So now while our left pointer is not equal to the duplicate we just added, we increment it. So while s at left is not equal to what we just added, we're going to say left plus equals 1, cur minus equals 1. Then at the very end, I guess here we do left plus equals 1. And then at the very end, we return length. Ooh, almost worked. Okay. Time to debug, I guess. I'm gonna use like whatever. I'll just use a brush. P W W K E W. Left is 0. Length is 0. This is X. And I guess this is our answer, WKE. Okay, so let's go. For right in range, length of S. If S is at right is not an X, add it. Our current is now equal to 1. Our left is equal to 1. All right, do it again. That's all right, not an X. Okay, W. This is now 2. This is now 2. Okay, now we're here. So, W's in here. Oh, we have to get rid of it. Length equals max, current X dot remove. Is that right? What? Okay, time to keep debugging. So we removed W. While S at left oh, hang on. This condition is wrong. It's not while left is not equal to right. I'm getting a call. Okay, we hit a duplicate. So we want to move left. No. All right, I'm gonna try to think about the algorithm a little more. All right. So stop thinking about code. We're going to, okay, A, new letter, move. B, new letter, move. C, new letter, move. A, not a new letter. Our current length is now 3. And we're going to move our left pointer until, oh, we're going to keep removing these from the set until we remove this letter. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is all good. If S is not an X, add it. Left plus equals 1. Perfect. Oh, hang on. We don't want to move left here. Right is already moving here. Our length is the max of the current and the length. While S at left is not equal to S at right, we're going to remove S at left because it's not in the array that we are looking at anymore. We're going to add 1 to left and subtract from cur. Now, I feel like we have to do it one more time once it is equal to the letter. Well, key error A. Well, it should always be in the set. Okay, so now we reached this case here. We removed A, we removed B, we removed oh, hang on. I think it's the condition again. Let's maybe do something like this. While true, if S at left equals S at right, then we want to remove, or no, we don't want to remove. We want to, okay, now we want to remove it. I feel like this is the same thing. Yeah, okay, hold on. I need to think about this more. We reached A. All right, so now what do we do when we reach A? We want to move the left pointer until the set removes that character. So while come on, I'm so close. Can I get a hint? It says generate all possible substrings. Are you kidding me? I want to solve it the sliding window way though. Okay. This algorithm is so simple. Why am I like just selling so hard right now? All right, I'm gonna look at the solution. What? Yeah. Okay. That's. I mean, that was my algorithm. Oh, interesting. That's cool. I actually have an idea here. What? This is what I was trying to do. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. What? I literally had this. I literally had this. I'm pretty sure I had this exact snippet of code earlier. Okay, why? How? I think it just like didn't give me the right answer. I'm such a noob, bro. This is so embarrassing. I see. I was thinking about this. I knew it. Because then we remove the character, but we have to add it back because that's where our current. This is basically the same as this part. And I guess Kirk could be greater. So. Dang it, bro. I was so close. Come on, dude. Yeah, like I literally had this code. I just didn't. I forgot this part. I think next time, spend some more time in Microsoft Paint drawing out the algorithm than just trying to code it immediately. Because I was on the right track. I want to look at that solution again. What did he do? So we have the setup right. You have your left pointer, your final answer, and your length. I see. So instead of the if else, they just made it a while, and it skips the while if it's not that specific condition. Okay, cool. All right, this video is like almost 40 minutes. Yeah, this took way too long, but got some good sliding window practice in today. Thanks for watching.